Good afternoon Facebook, William Pole here from Newton Falwell in Loughborough on Eyebrook Close to show you this huge 3-bedroom bungalow, now 2 bedrooms actually. I need to come to that as regards what's changed and altered, on a corner plot in a quiet cul-de-sac. Let me just pan round. You know Eyebrook Close, we're tucked away towards the edge of Loughborough, so we've got great communication links. Double glazed, centrally heated, spacious and soffits. It's an electric door on the double garage, and yes, I'll explain the layout and what's occurred. So in through the nice porch, spacious hallway, close the door behind us. You can see double doors lead through to what now in metric is over 8 meters lounge diner, though this would have been more modest in proportion and a 3rd bedroom, so it's been enlarged to get a creator reception. It's vast. So look at that, you've got an opening through there to the kitchen. It's a big space. Please check out the floor plans, and an added bonus, you've got a very substantial conservatory off as well. You can see the central heating's been brought into here. Lovely sunny day to show you this property. Dimensionally, when you include the garage, we're over 1,400 in square feet, just to change back to imperial. So yeah, great space. Now the kitchen has benefited from an extension. Quite stylish actually what they've done here. So kitchen diner, we should really say, you've got extra cupboard units there, and then in the extension itself you can see they've gone for vaulted ceiling. So you've got 2 Velux roof lights, and you can see the integrated oven. There's a door out there to the garden, sink unit. So on a day like today we're bathed in sunshine. There's the opening back to the lounge diner, so you can say 2 sugars please. Perhaps you should say half a sugar actually, in retrospect. This door, double glazed, leads through to the side lobby, and that door's back out to the driveway, and this door leads into the double garage. So you can see the electric door there, and also this is where the boiler's housed, so it's a Worcester, and you've got extra space for appliances. So let's go and look at the sleeping accommodation. So back through the hallway, all very smart. Bedroom number 1 is at the rear. We've got built-in furniture, so you've got double wardrobe, double cupboards over the bed recess. Check out the size of this. And what looks like a wardrobe, the grandchildren affectionately called this the Narnia ensuite. So we go through the double doors and into the ensuite. So wash and basin, a WC. Brilliant, how clever is that? Let's nip back this way, and we'll show you bedroom number 2. So whilst we say 2 bedrooms, they're both absolutely huge. So look at that for a guest bedroom. You've got to remember you've got mirrored doors there, all sliding. So adding an extra at least 2 feet onto the length of the property. Big room, nice big windows, the bay there, still provides display area. And so if we complete the internal accommodation, we can see the shower room. You've got a choice of showers. So you've got your standard cubicle there with the main showers in. And then you've got an easy access shower cubicle, just step into that one with another main shower. So 2 showers, and your wash and basin. It's a hidden system WC. Really good. Right, let's go and show you the garden. So you see it's low maintenance pretty much out the front. Plenty of parking as well. Landscape, let's go through the double glazed door into the paved garden in the majority. So this is all very pleasant. Private, you can see the fence line there. We're not overlooked by any properties. If I come to this corner, you've got a gate there to the side. Again, Spacious soffits guttering, UPVC. So yeah, good space, mature borders. I'll go right into the corner so you can see how far it extends. Come back on ourselves. You can see the conservatory that we saw earlier. Brilliant, very rare opportunity this one. So, should you wish to view here, straightforward. Simply give the office a call now on 01509 611 119. Cheers for now, bye.